There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your favorite girl, A, and we back to slay an Amazon lace front wig today with one of my favorite companies, affordable, definitely budget friendly. When I say affordable, I'm talking about budget friendly, loads of wigs, units to pick from. Girl, nice hair. They always represent. They come in the pink box. Girl, these are the pre-everything wigs. Y'all don't even have to do anything anymore. This is a new era where no wigs need work, okay? No wigs need work. Who loves that slogan? No wigs need work. I mean, you might have to do a little bit of things, but I love a good pre-everything wig. Girl, I love a good wig in general, but UNICE, you know what I'm saying? They nice with it. The hair nice, the prices is nice. By the end of the process, you're going to look nice. Girl, what else can I say? But they are the best of the best of the best for less. I hope you all are having like a really great day when you're watching this video. I'm here. I'm happy to be here. I thank you all for just joining my channel, watching my videos. And please, if you can, hype this video up. Just right next to the share button, there's the hype button. Hype it up because we want everybody to see this. We want loads and loads of people to come to this channel. Okay. But what's up, girl? Like, seriously, what's up? I hope y'all are staying motivated, positive, you know what I'm saying, out the way, minding your business, and in general, just having a really good day, being blessed, because it's a blessing to wake up every morning. Today, like I said, is the UNICE Pre-Everything wig, and girl, I just took it out the packaging, okay? I haven't even opened this wig yet. I know it's going to be something nice. There's never when they're not nice. So let's just see what's in this box real quick. Melting band, HD wig cap with that. As well as that, they also do come with some tape. So if you love tape, you are going to get a sheet of that. This is a 7x5 by not 24 inches, baby. You don't do it like it's every day. This is a really pretty wig, okay? Oh, I like this. Oh, this is really pretty. Look at those coils at the end. Okay, girl, what? Now, let's just keep in mind, once you add your product to this and comb through it, these are not going to be there. However, you can definitely get them back yourself by just finger coiling them. Keep in mind, it's going to take some time. But I like this wig. Now, this one right here has some nice texture to it. You know how you get those curly units that may be a little bit silky on the silkier side? This seems to have a little bit of texture to it. Really pretty color at the bottom. It is in the middle part. This is the 7x5 pre-everything. So that way you don't have to bleach. You don't have to cut any lace. HD Swiss lace, an adjustable strap in the nape. So that way you can adjust or remove. It also does come with a standard comb in the nape as well. There's also some adjustable straps like that. And the best of the best of the best, girl, what? The drawstring. So that way when your wig is trying to come off or somebody trying to pull it off, baby, you are going to leave with the wig. Okay. So this is a great wig because there's really not much that we need to do, but just put her on. I may have to add a little bit of water or product, but let's just get right into this video. Okay.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those feathers in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a lover.
Yeah, trying to get you out my thoughts today. Still chained to you when I walked away. Still chain, you know it be hard to break, cause I kept it way too real to automate. I wanna talk to you for my conscience sake, trying to make my mind and body cooperate. Used to have some shots to give for ones you take, but then I took them all to heal and lost the way. Got me riding around listening to Marvin Gaye, reminisce what was, cause now it ain't. And through my mind I trail for hours till it all devours. I'm amongst the prowlers on your page. See how you spending days without eating me inside, that I'm phasing out, but I plays it, and it drains me. I done made some, but it pains me. You want the real from me, here it is, here it go. I want you dead to me, head gone real slow. I want you here with me, bad, I'll let it go. But I can't have both, I'm done. I hope this love a bum that's gon' blow. No regret, no rewind, no more waste, no more time, no more wait, let's go away. I stay out of mind. No regret, no rewind, no more waste, no more time, no more wait, let's go.
Girl, this was super easy. When I tell you I'm so happy that I didn't have to wet the entire hair, re-drench it, redo too much. All I did was repart it on the side that I wanted. And girl, cut me some baby hairs and she good to go. This wig is actually really, really pretty. Do you see how I was able to keep the coils in it? So nice. The hair is nice and succulent. Girl, very, very nice. I love the fact that it's nice and full. Amazon Prime, get your wig on time, baby. Check UNICE out. They have some really nice units. I love the color in this. I love the dimension. I love the fullness. I love the fact that it has all the security that you could ever need. As well as that, as it just came pre-everything. Pre-bleached, pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, pre-styled, baby, and pre-approved by your girl. What else could you possibly ask for in a wig? I remember those days when we had to do everything to prepare the wig for wear. Now you can get them sent out to you and put them on the exact same day. Who don't like a wig where you could just put it on the same day as she arrives? I don't know about y'all, but I always say, I love me a good wig. And if you're going to do a wig, girl, do it big. I will definitely link down below UNICE, because you already know they have the best of the best of the best for less. I will definitely see y'all in the next one. Stay diva and divalicious. If you stay to the end, give me a pink heart. And please make sure to hype up my video so that everyone will find us. I love you all. Stay blessed, stay safe, and definitely mind your business and stay out the way. And I'll see y'all in the next one.
Babe, well, let's be honest, it was just a love ball. I just wanna go back to how it was. I just wanna